Hello kids, in today's English session we are going to learn a new letter and it is M. This is small cursive M. This is the formation of small cursive M. M. And the sound of M is Just like you relish something to eat when you are hungry, you are fed with something relishing, you say, it's very tasty. So the sound of M is So let's start to write. We have two lines, two narrow lines. Within that we are supposed to write M small cursive. We are to start from the center. Put a point over here and we are to start from the center of these two lines. Make a slanting line upwards. Now come standing way downwards. Go again upwards and make a hum. Come down. Again without lifting your pencil, go upwards, make another hum. Come down and flick. One more time, make a slanting line upwards. Standing down, go up, make a one hum, another hum and a flick. One more time, start from the center, point, make a slanting line, standing line downwards, standing line upwards, make one hum and go upwards and make another hum. Very easy to write. Let's see. One more time, make a slanting line, standing downwards, one hum, two hum and a flick. Slanting line upwards, standing. Little bit faster now because you have learned how to write Slanting, standing downwards, one hum, two hum and a flick. Let's read some of the words that starts with M. These are the descriptive pictures and their names start with the letter M. M, mango. M, mushroom. M, mat. M, mango. M, mushroom. M, mat. Hope you will understand how to write M and keep learning new words that starts with M. Thank you kids.